Hi, hello, and welcome everyone to my channel at Profound Insights, a journey of learning, inspiration, and discovery where you can learn, grow, and share. Today, we will deep dive into another fascinating topic. So, get ready to unlock a world of knowledge and excitement. Before we proceed further, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get a notification of insight content, and this will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Without further delay, let's jump right in. Humor at work can ease stress and boost team spirit. Introduction. Companies often prioritize serious business activities, neglecting the potential of humor in leadership. Yet, upon observation and consideration of various perspectives, it becomes evident that humor is a disregarded element within the leadership toolkit. To excel in one's work, an improved appreciation and utilization of humor in the workspace are essential. Humor has the power to work wonders in situations where cold, calculated logic falls short. Hope you agree with me. The HR agenda needs to strategically pivot towards humor to reap its benefits. Let's break down the humor agenda for better comprehension and implementation. Humor as a business assertive. Humor is not to be underestimated. It is a serious business asset. It contributes to building winning teams by enhancing group cohesiveness, improving collaboration, and deepening relationships. Moreover, it plays a vital role in enhancing the leadership culture by signaling greater approachability, improving personal likability, and projecting confidence and competency. Shifting leadership from humanoid to human, humor enhances morale, relieves stress, and facilitates effective communication of serious messages. It fosters reflection within excessive self seriousness, leading to more resilient and trusting organizational behavior. Ultimately, this results in improved creativity, ideation, innovation, and overall team and business performance. Humor bridges the part fall effect. Examining the psychological phenomena of the part fall effect, humor is presented as a means to build better bonds by dispelling the notion of perfection. Managers with a sense of humor are likely to attract, engage, and retain talent, emphasizing the role of humor in leadership traits. Institutionalizing humor in talent processes. In the context of talent processes, the narrative encourages organizations to infuse humor into hiring, appraisal, leadership assessment, and promotion processes. By making these processes less mundane and stressful, organizations can not only attract better talent but also shape a culture adaptive to changing times. The art of humorous leadership, a learned skill. Highlighting that humor is a learned skill, this session suggests integrating it into training sessions. Trainers should not only be subject matter experts but also adapt at engaging the audience using humor. Various mediums such as cartoons, sketches, skits, stories, and anecdotes should be integral to the teaching to ensure active participation and effective learning. The appropriate use of humor. While advocating for humor, this section emphasizes appropriateness, which is very crucial. It cautions against slapstick comedy or negative humor, underscoring the importance of well intentioned, inclusive, and respectful humor. Leaders are advised to take a self deprecating approach and refrain from targeting individuals or sensitive topics. Building a humorous advantage. In conclusion, leaders are advised to actively work on developing a stronger sense of humor. By being aware, practicing, and allowing humor in the workspace, leaders can transform their organizational culture, making it more innovative and client oriented. The overarching message that I want to convey is that a laughter pill is a good business pill, promoting growth with smiles. I hope you enjoyed this video and the information was useful to you. As we wrap up this incredible journey together, remember that the adventure doesn't end here. Keep listening to other such videos of profound insights under the Career Conversations Navigating Success playlist. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay inspired and keep reaching for the stars. Thank you.